Hey everyone, I'm Steven, and today I'm using a cereal box to make Han Solo's dice. If you're curious, please subscribe, like this video, and let's get to it. To start off, look up paper cube templates on Google and pick one out. Copy and paste it into a Word document and resize it to the size that you need. Since average dice are 16 millimeters or 2/3 of an inch, I'm going to use that size. Crop down this template to get one of the individual squares. This will be the one side of the dice, and copy that a few times since you're going to need it for each side of the dice. Print everything out, cut away the margins, and tape it to the cereal box. Cut along the outside of the template with either scissors or utility blade. Lightly score along the internal lines. This will help you bend everything when forming the cube. Once everything is cut out, glue it together. While the cubes cool down, draw symbols on the printout of the squares. Tape that down onto the same cereal box and cut everything out. Glue each square to the side of the cubes, then paint it black, including a piece of string. After everything dries, I'm going to use yellow and metallic gold craft paint to make everything shiny. You might need multiple layers of paint, but keep some of the nooks and crannies black so it looks a little bit weathered and used. I'm going to glue the string on, give it another coat of paint, and then I guess I'll be back with the finished product. So there you have it, Han Solo's dice. In the original movies it was just regular dice that was painted gold, but it eventually became the unique designs that you see here in order to make it look more Star Wars-y. I think it looks pretty cool, but let me know what you think in the comments below. Also, please subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and see you soon, everyone. Da 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 da. May the 4th be with you.